Hi guys, welcome back to Ledger Videos. Today I'm here with my dog, John Mott. Say hi. You don't know? This is John Mott, my dog. And he chews up all his toys perfectly. And my dog, also you see him in my next cooking video. And if you want, you can leave a comment of what you want me to cook next. Now introduce my dog in that video too. Bye.